Mana kita, Pak?
Hari ini kita Pulau Bungka. Coba
Agenda camping.
enggak, kita pulang kerja. Itu bersama Bang Roni, Bang Mirja, Bang Dodi, dan
Adit.
kamera. Kita menuju kebun.
Fucking hoes and popping pillies, man, I feel just like a rock star. All my brothers got that gas and they always be smoking like a rock star. Fucking with me, call up on the Uzi and show up, name them the shot toss. When my homies pull up on your block, they make that thing go grata-ta. Cocaine on the table, liquor porn, don't give a damn. Don't your girlfriend is a groupie, she just tryna get in. Saying I'm with the band. Now she acting out of pocket, tryna grab up on my pants. On their bitches in my trailer, said they ain't got a man. And they all brought a friend. I've been fucking hoes and popping pillies, man, I feel just like a rock star. Just like a rock star. I've been popping.
I've been in the hills, fucking superstars, feeling like a pop star. Drinking any bad bitches, jumping in the pool, and I ain't got on no bra. Hit her front or back, pulling on the tracks, and now she screaming out no more. They like Savage, why you got a 12-car garage and you only got 6 cars?
Cocaine on the table, liquor porn, don't give a damn. Don't your girlfriend is a groupie, she just tryna get in. Saying I'm with the band. Now she acting out of pocket, tryna grab up on my pants. On their bitches in my trailer, said they ain't got a man. And they all brought a friend. I've been popping, man, I feel just like a rock star.
Kencang kali harusnya.
Kita di Pulau Bungka, guys. Oke, guys. Kita makan siang dulu dengan istirahat Isoma.
Oke. Masa apa, Chef?
Masa bro Abah.
Ikan asin lu ada. Ya bang, hari ini berenang.
Mantap. Ikannya lu coba lihat.
Oke.
Keren ya.
Song, pantang segar nih. Oke. Ada khusus bang untuk hidupi api bang?
Ada. Dihimbus aja tadi nggak baca apa-apa. Ngeri.
Langsung.
Belum dah. Nanti mau kan kamu jadi nanti ingat lu. Dia tunggu dah apa.
Masa bang?
Oh, hampir.
Apa itu mas?
Nyongkut kerape. Bro Abah. Nyongkut lagi.
Oke, ini makan siang kita hari ini ikan apa kerapu ya, kerapu. Ini kakap center kalau kata oke. Bantu kita.
Iya. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Udah sering, hari pun udah sering. Cuma lapar dia.
Oke. Bawa. Oke. Mantap. Sekali lagi. Aduh panas banget. Oke, suasana bagus nih, agak mendung.
Interested or I'm not listening, or I'm indifferent. Truly, I ain't got no business here, but since my friends are here, I just came to kick it. But really, I would rather be at home all by myself, not in this room with people who don't even care about my well-being. I don't dance, don't ask, I don't need a boyfriend, so you can't go back. Please enjoy your party, I'll be here somewhere in the corner under clouds of marijuana with this boy who's hollering I can hardly hear. Oh, with this music I don't listen to, and I don't wanna get with you, so tell my friends that I'll be over here. Oh, here. Oh, here. Oh, I ask myself, what am I doing here? talking about her friends, oh tell them I'll be here. Right next to the boy who's throwing up cause he can't take what's in his cup no more. Oh God, why am I here? Oh